everyone, my name is Ski Supreme, and I'm finally getting a chance to sit down with Maschine 3.0. Now, Machine's been out for about a month now, and there's a lot of videos out there that's really deep diving into the hits and misses of Maschine 3.0. This is not that video. I'm going to go more into the stem separation function. I'm going to see if I can chop up a sample, make a pattern with those chops, and then from there do the stem separations. So without further ado, let's get into it. I've already loaded my sample. It's already ready to go. So let's get a listen to the sample. Here's the sample right here. A nice soulful sample to work with. So typically when you do your stem separation, you'll hit the stem separation button here. Wait for that to happen. It can take a while. Now that we have the stem separated, you notice it goes into a sampler. I'm going to change the polyphony to 1 so the stem pad doesn't play on top of itself. And then from here, I'm going to go to the Maschine Plus and multi-select the stems. So let's take a listen. So as you can hear, it separated it pretty well. So let me stretch this out here. So you got the gist of it, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete this group, and I'm going to get into what I wanted to show you. So we're back at the original sample, so now we're going to go ahead and chop this up. We're going to go to slice mode. I'm going to go to split, and then I'm going to split this to 16 equal parts. Basic quarter note chops. If you take a look here, it says pattern. And you see the drop down where it says none, create, and replace. What you want to do if you don't want the pattern of your chops to show up in your sequencer on the pad, go ahead and click none. Now all the slices look like they're on the transient. Looks pretty aligned. So from here I'm just going to click apply from my Maschine Plus, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply those chops to pad 1. Let's take a listen to the chops now. So you can hear the chops, still have the vocals, still has the drums and the bass. So what I'm going to do right now is just come up with a little pattern and see what I can come up with. Let's turn on the metronome. I think I need to pitch it up to match the tempo, so I'm going to do that. Yeah, it's a little rough. I'm going to go ahead and quantize that. And for our purposes, this will do. So let's listen to our pattern. We're going to go to the top right hand corner and click on the audio icon, click and hold. Drag that over to pad 2, and you'll notice it freezes your MIDI into audio. So we're going to go ahead and mute pad 1. And from the Maschine software, we're going to go to the sample editor. It's the icon under the keyboard icon. We're going to click on edit and click on stems. As you can see, the stems are separated, and instead of a sampler, it's now an audio internal instrument. And you can see that it has the transpose tune knob, so this way we can do live time stretching. So I'm going to select all the pads of the stems from my Maschine Plus. Let's give it a listen to. I'll make sure we mute pad 2 so this doesn't play on top of our stems.